Hello! I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Kissimmee, Florida to see the Monument of States. And there it is, the Monument of States. Appropriate enough, located at Lakeview Drive and Monument Avenue. And this plaque says this is in honor of Dr. C.W. Bresler Pettis, president of the All States Tourist Club and the originator and co-founder of the Monument of States. Now, the idea for the Monument of States was that they wanted the gentleman, Bresler Pettis, Mr. Bresler Pettis, wanted to get a rock from every state in the United States and form a monument. See, the United States is a symbol of unity. I mean, this was going on during World War II, and it was just to be a sign of strength, to show people that, together this monument, all of the 48 states, as there were only 40 at that time, were united in the cause and united together. E pluribus unum. And not only did every state send a rock to be part of this monument, but several cities in the area, as well as rocks from other countries were sent as well. Now, when Bresler Pettis died, his ashes or remains, because I'm not for sure if he was cremated or not, I believe he was, but anyway, his remains were interned inside this monument. So not only is this a monument to the states, or of the states, it's also a giant tombstone as well, a grave marker, grave site. There is a rock in the shape of a human shoe sent from Illinois. I was talking about earlier, countries: Belgium, England, Greece, Italy. There's another rock, and that's not too far from my neck of the woods, sent from Centralia, Illinois. A rock from the Sahara Desert in Africa. And that stone, even though Hawaii wasn't a state, came from Hawaii. Another stone from Illinois. And there's a time capsule here that was placed in 1993. It's been opened in 2043. Up there is a rock from Puerto Rico, as well as another stone sent from the governor of Illinois. Now, this was after the fact, of course, but years later, Walt Disney Studios presented this gem mineral here to the city of Kissimmee, and they placed it here next to the Monument of States. This says here that this Monument of States was finished on March 19th, 1943. Dedicated on March 28th, 1943. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.